So in this video, we're going to create a quick presentation on how to take the lesson plan for basically the data analysis um, example. So we already have a FAQ agent. That presentation is already built. We are going to build another presentation, and we're going to do slightly little different kind of a take here. And in this, we will do mostly the read of the data, the objective or the domino that I call it. So any lesson plan when we do, we create a domino. What is the main lesson that we want to give? This is a McKinsey principle. Okay. So this sort of enables you ki you don't go all over the place, but you hit one central point and you speak around that, and people feel like you gave an amazing lesson because you've sort of literally covered all gaps. That thing. No doubt there will be more information people want to learn because you got them to a very good stage, right? But the scope of the accelerator is still that particular point because the other steps will take time. Now, what is the domino that we are speaking about? The main domino that we'll be speaking about is why you want to have AI agents learn to query some database, correct? So the simple answer to that will be, look, when you're using a CRM, let's do a CRM kind of. So when you do a CRM, what you do, you enter the client details and that client detail gets stored. So that is a write operation. Okay. Then if you want to change the client's email address, that is a change operation, update operation. Okay. You're creating a row, then you are reading a row, creating a row, you're updating a row, and then is a reading. So how many customers do you have in the database? Right? I have 10 customers in the database. That's a read operation. Okay. And D is delete. This delete is no longer active, delete the operation. So this is called CRUD operations basically. Okay. So we'll take a CRM example here because last time we did it with an example of FAQ e-commerce. It was a lot more hitting home. So here CRM, everybody knows customers are there. We add customer, delete customers and all that thing, right? So what we want now, we want the agent to do the same thing. Humans are doing it. Now we want agent to do. That is why we need to learn about data. And then you will say, okay, flip it around, think of the areas that you use data for, and they'll tell you all that thing. Today, that is why then we are going to focus on only few things. That is, I'm going to show you adding 4 or 5, 1 or 2 nodes in which the agent will operate the tool, and it is up to you to do and expand all the other tool sets. Okay. So if I just go back here, and if I just create the agent that we have, let's see, the agent structure will look something like this. Okay. So AI agent, right? This will be there. Naturally, we will add brain. तो add हो जाएगा. Then we will add a tool. This is PostgreSQL tool. Okay, so like this tool will add. And this tool, what will be there? There is, you will see there is a insert or execute query will be there. Okay, so there is an insert. So you see that there is an insert row in a table, insert or updater. Using select rows, update row. The CRUD operations are all available here. So we will say insert row, and then what is, we have to choose the table. Suppose this is so you will say, so you see that there's a customers table, and like this customer table, we have to update the rows, right? But we will not teach insert command because why? दिमाग फिर जाएगा कि ये कैसा फिल करेगी ये मैजिक बटन दबाते दबाते वेस्ट हो जाए. So today what we will do, we will only do, he assume this data is available, right? We are going to write a query. We are going to write when user asks a question, the user should be able to execute a query and then run an operation and get back to us. That's what we'll try to do. Okay. So you got this. This is the objective, which means user creates a prompt. That prompt creates a query, and that query is basically run and then executed. For sure. That's what we will be doing. Cool. So in this, what is the thing that will be there? This guy needs to have a prompt so that it needs to know how to run this tool. That's all. This simple operation will do. Now this one here. We have one example here, which is the data analyst example here. Now this is a little bit more comprehensive one. You'll say that this is already available, this template is already available, but this query will be required from this query will be required in this particular scenario to be added. This is the query that we will get from the AI agent. Okay. Now the AI agent needs two things for this. Is that it should know how to write a query, and what is the database and all that. So we'll give you a standard system prompt. That system prompt you just ask them to copy and paste it here. Don't need to write it there. Everything is like 2 clicks में खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. Okay. So you give them here, take a GitHub link, copy, paste it here. Everybody done? Good. Close. Okay. And then you say, okay, add this. In masterclass, literally we have done this only, right? Like वही format को use करना है, and then you say run a query, right? And then this line will be available there. So just tell the copy this and this thing. What is this from AI meaning? Which means this AI agent will essentially this AI agent will essentially make a query, and it will pass it to this tool so that it can run it on SQL and then get the results back. Okay, and then it is going to get the result back, and then it is going to display the results here. That's it. इतना ही स्टोरी करना है. Okay, want an advanced version? Those who are more advanced people, you will understand this. This is a more dynamic version. ये वाला टेम्पलेट उठा के दे देना कि भाई ये डायनामिक वर्जन है, इसको लेके आप करना है करो, राइट? बट दिस इज नॉट इन द स्कोप, दिस थिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट. दोज वर एडवांस दे विल गेट इट करके, दोज वर बिगिनर्स डू दिस एंड मास्टर दिस बोल देना. And recording version is available. Go and check the recording if you have.
Recording of the advanced is available because we have done it before. Yeah.
Correct. It's already available. Look at that. इतना ही करना है.
जो रियल टाइम में करना है वो यही वाला है, ये वाला.
हाँ, रियल टाइम में यही करना है.
ये okay, one Postgres node with that SQL query which I'll get from GitHub and explanation.
That's it.
Done. And this cannot be called a RAG chatbot, right? This is a agentic data analyst. This is not RAG.
So the difference between a RAG and a data is what? Structured and unstructured data. Okay. Unstructured data is PDF, Word, and all that thing. That's where RAG comes in.
Okay.
When there is a structured data, there is a tabular data. Think of it. वो context window ही 200K window है उसका, और 1 million tokens है. Can you put 1 million rows inside that LLM to do something? No, it can't. It will be too much data. Right? So what then? How then you feed something to an AI agent? What you'll do is you'll give him a capability to run a code on a SQL table, no matter million rows or 10 billion rows and all that thing, and get a snapshot of what it's supposed to answer, and that goes into context, and then he responds. तो इसमें छाटने वाला काम कर रहे हैं कि उसको बोलना कि कैन यू लोड मिलियन रोज इनसाइड दिस चैट जीपीटी, बोलना कि कॉन्टेक्स्ट विंडो ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा, कर ही नहीं पाओगे, राइट? सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज जो क्वेश्चन का जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट है उसका क्वेरी करके जो जितना आंसर्स आ रहा है उससे हम करोगे. ये नहीं बोल सकते कि गिव मी ऑल 1000 कस्टमर्स का रेवेन्यू एक साथ करके, लाइक
that'll be too much.
Why you want that thing? ठीक है.
Got it.
So this will make it and we'll get to you, Rusha. Okay. उसमें से बस we need to give it the schema and all that so that it can write the query very well. Okay. So yeah, this is what you will teach. Yeah.
इसका स्कीमा वगैरह तो भी एक बार तो देना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ वो एक बार दे देंगे ना अर्पण, सो
मतलब ये गेट
जो
स्कीमा ये
हाँ, सो बेसिकली हाउ यू गेट द स्कीमा टू सुपरबेस, ठीक है।
वो प्रॉम्प्ट में ही दे दें क्या?
हाँ वो प्रॉम्प्ट में दे देंगे एग्जैक्टली exactly.
वो प्रॉम्प्ट में दे देते हैं
हाँ वो फिक्स्ड कर देंगे हम लोग।
या
ये वाला लास्ट टाइम सिखाए थे, लोगों का दिमाग फिर गया, सो फिर छोड़।
या
चलो ये क्या होगा, इसको हम रन करेंगे, ये देखो ये स्कीमा दे देंगे, ठीक है। ये वाला स्कीमा हम लोग को वो प्रॉम्प्ट में दे देंगे, तो
हम्म
वो बस कॉपी पेस्ट रहेगा ऋषभ, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी वरी अबाउट, वो पूरा रहेगा। दिस स्कीमा विल बी गिवन एंड देन उसका नेक्स्ट क्या चाहिए उसको, में एक ये टेबल नेम चाहिए होता है, ठीक है।
हम्म
सो एसेंशियली क्योंकि ये टेबल कस्टमर्स में दो ही
ये
टेबल
एक्चुअली
क्लाइंट्स
ये
के लिए
टेबल्स अपलोड भी करनी पड़ेंगी उसमें सुपरबेस में।
वो करना पड़ेगा, अपलोड भी करवाना पड़ेगा। तो ये स्कीमा है, देखो ये सब कॉलम वॉलम नहीं चाहिए हमें, right? ये नहीं चाहिए, ये कॉलम नेम और कॉलम डेटा टाइप ये चाहिए बस, ठीक है। तो ये डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा, और इसके अंदर जो प्रॉम्प्ट है, ये वाला तो सेम नोड है, यही हम लोग नोड सिखा रहे हैं, इसमें से ये हम लोग बस क्लिक करना। When SQL queries on our artist data and then use operator to extract JSON data, okay, that's it। तो इतना ही कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाना है, एंड इधर से ये स्कीमा उठा के हम लोग ये इधर के सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट में वो डाल देंगे, ठीक है। एंड देन उसका वो सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट क्या है, so I'll put the schema here, definition कर लो, अभी भी गलत ही चल रहा है। Run the SQL query to aggregate data for the respondent. Fetch all the data into answer. Always fetch this part. Okay. You always fetch the schema and table definition. Here we will say uh, here is the schema and table before you create the query. Okay. Schema क्या हो जाएगा? कॉपी करते हैं। Copy as markdown. Best. Here is a table schema. ठीक है. And copy as markdown. Schema and table definition. क्या है टेबल, कौन सा टेबल डेफिनेशन, टेबल डेफिनेशन ऑफ ये, लेट्स सी। तो अपन तेरे में वो है ना, इसमें है राइट,
क्या पोस्टग्रेस?
या
आई थिंक यस।
कस्टमर्स, कस्टमर्स बाय लोकेशन, काउंट ऑफ कस्टमर्स बाय लोकेशन, लेट्स
थोड़ा एरर आई थिंक प्रोजेक्ट की वजह से एरर आ सकता है एक बार को बट
भाई
ये
अभी।
और ओ नाइस
तो लिटरली 15 मिनट में नोड बाय नोड बना के, क्या बात है कुणाल, मानना
हाउ
पड़ेगा।
लॉन्ग डज इट टेक? इट्स नॉट कॉम्प्लेक्स। वो था इसमें, आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड।
ये हो गया, देखो खत्म, ये स्टोरी।
And since it's Postgres, तो AI agent is not doing any calculation की calculator tool लगाना पड़ रहा है। That then it becomes calculation proof and वो सारी चीजें, क्योंकि SQL की क्वेरी तो है ही है।
देखो तुरंत लिख दिया क्वेरी, ओके।
बस इसका
देन उसका
जेसॉन भेज दो। मैं
हाथों हाथ दूसरा एक भी कर देते हैं, एक ट्रांजैक्शन भी चाहिए तुमको। एक्चुअली ये जो दो नोड जो है ना, ये डायनेमिकली भी कर सकता है, लेकिन हम लोग डायनेमिक सिखा नहीं रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग का दिमाग फट जाएगा,
वो फिर और कन्फ्यूजन हो जाएगा।
कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा। तो
तो उसमें यूजर प्रॉम्प्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं, सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट से ही सब हो जाता है।
एग्जैक्टली, यू कैन जस्ट गिव इट
यही
ऑल ऑफ दीज
यही
थिंग्स।
जादू दिखाना है भाई,
हाँ,
तुमको बोलना है कि भाई इतना लाइफ में तमाशा मत करो, पहले सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट से गेम करना सीखो। इसमें चांसेस ऑफ एरर इज गोइंग टू बी, ये देखो, ये TLB है ना,
ये
L है,
TBL।
TBL, मेरे में TLB है, तेरे में TBL रहेगा ना पापा।
मेरे में TBL है। सेकंड।
स्पेलिंग वेलिंग तो मैं जनरली एरर के साथ चले जाता हूँ, बोल देता हूँ कि भाई एरर हुआ मतलब तुम फिक्स, यू विल बी अवेयर, सब इजीली हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा तो, बट लेटर ऑन यू कैन डू दैट। ठीक है, अभी ये भी हो गया। फाइंड द customers with most number of transactions. It's Eric Hooper with,
सॉलिड,
okay,
सुपर।
how will that happen, ये क्वेरी उठा के, ठीक है, तुम अगर इधर चले जाओगे, ठीक है, ये इसको रन कर दोगे। इसलिए मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं था क्योंकि मैंने ना वो डायनामिकली वो दिया था ना। How to upload database in Supabase, right?
प्रॉपर।
बहुत सिंपल,
यस यस।
इतना में ही you'll have a lot of questions, so you just have to become familiar with it, ठीक है। The way that you want to do it, you don't explain them, बोलना कि भाई go here, system prompt में ये table definition निकाल दो, tell me what's happening. So don't do, so education is what, not about telling, Rushabh, the philosophy